Hello there! Today, we are cooking one of the best nutritious foods in Ghana, unpeeled yam or akaw, the village style. Don't skip this video. Come with me till the end. These are the ingredients to be used today. We have yam, sardines, onion, habanero pepper, eggs, tomatoes, garlic and ginger, salted dried tilapia, fried fish and salt. Our ingredients are set. We pour charcoal into the coal pot and light up the fire. We pour water onto the yam and wash with a sponge. We wash thoroughly because we are not going to peel the yam. We put the yam onto the plantain leaves and cut into slices. Thank you for coming back to watch us today. Don't skip this video. Let's do this together. We put the sliced yam into a bowl, pour water onto it, wash into a pot and put onto the coal pot fire. Pour water onto the yam in the pot on fire. Wash the tomatoes and pepper and put onto the yam. Wash and add the eggs. We cut off the gills and fins from the salted dried fish, wash it and add to the yam on fire. Add salt and cover with a plantain leaf and let it boil. We slice the onions into the earthenware bowl, add a little garlic and ginger and check the yam on fire. We take off the boiled tomatoes and pepper into the earthenware bowl and grind together with the onion. Cover the yam to continue boiling. The grinding begins. This food requires less ingredients and very affordable. Kindly try this at home and thank me later. We take the salted dry tilapia off the boiling yam, take the yam off the cold pot fire, sieve the water out from it, and take the eggs into the warm water to cool down and begin to remove the shells. We add the yam to the grinded pepper, followed by the eggs and the boiled salted tilapia. Add the fried fish, add a little of the vegetable oil from the sardine, and add the sardine to taste. We now begin to consume our sumptuous natural food. You are all invited to join us. Thank you for watching us today. If today happens to be the first time you are watching us, you are warmly welcome. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments for more. God bless you all our subscribers. You are the reason why we keep posting. The love is deep. Keep supporting. We enjoy the food till finishing. God bless the farmer, the cook, the eater, and you watching us. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in our next video. It's Cook with Regina.